Hey guys, what's good? It's your boy Brandon. Hey, oh god, today I'm not feeling well. It's allergy season again. I have really terrible allergies. But today I'm just gonna make like always a 5-minute video. I'm gonna end it at 4. So we're close to that time because they have to pay. I'm gonna do Need for 3 months wanted, and the last time I did this, it said it was restricted. I'm gonna try to move the camera a few times. I'm gonna move it back to my face, and then I'm going to put it back down. So that way, it's still faint because it's cut, and then it won't catch the full scene of the game, but it will also catch y'all pause at the same time. Alright, so let's get this done. So, and we got a little buddy here today. I always need some laptops to help me out with something that I need. Yeah, like that. Yeah, let's get this done. Let's get this done. Man, I don't know where my views went, but I swear I'm trying to get y'all back. I'm gonna try to put some entertaining, cause I notice when the views come, I've been asking for subscribers a long time asking for. I'm not forcing y'all if you guys want to like the video or not. You know what I'm saying? Just want to put it out there. Alright. That's that Colorado. Yeah, come on. I want you guys to know something. My controller, it can literally light up. That's what you guys seeing. I have it on vibrate, so see, that means it's on vibrate. Every time it vibrates, it lights up. Railroad. It's good time. I haven't got any parts. I haven't got any parts unlocked for this car, but I do got parts unlocked for the other car. See right here, I done beat these two. I actually beat the Shelby. I beat the Mercedes. You guys got this game. I beat the Lexus. I know I'm trying to get to McLaren. I mean, oh my god, I'm gonna use that car a lot when I get that one. I like the cop cars, the Lamborghini cop cars. It's kind of freaking awesome. This is what you guys know. I'm gonna make a part 2 of this. If it don't say if it is restricted. Alright guys, about to hit 4 minutes, so we gotta make this quick. Now you see, I'm putting my face behind the camera so that it keeps thinking that it's not copyrighted. Get it? What they say with copyrighted, maybe like restricted. I'm not trying to lose my YouTube channel just because of that. Decrease, increase, decrease, increase, decrease, go. So guys, I'm going to end off the video right here, and stay tuned for more of this if you guys like it.